What's the meaning of could? Could. Could.
Could. Could. Could is a modal verb that implies possibility or ability in the past, present, or future. It serves as the past tense of can and indicates past ability or permission. Furthermore, it can be used to express a request in a polite way or to make a suggestion. It also functions as a conditional auxiliary verb when combined with if to discuss hypothetical situations. Ultimately, the term could is a versatile word that has a broad range of applications in both formal and informal language contexts, making it an essential part of the English language.